bagels. So I'm like,
Bagels.
damn, I want some bagels.
Uh-huh.
I go to have bagels this morning. I
Moldy.
fucking ate them all.
What?
I ate a whole pack of bagels apparently yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. They must have
Yeah.
been, were they like specialty bagels or?
Oh, they're just bagels. I was like, I want some fucking bagels.
I like saying the word bagels.
I like bagels. God damn it. I started with a gun.
Yeah, when you log out, it saves.
Invite me. Widowmaker. Promote leader. Did you invite me?
Yes.
It's not saying anything. It just says invite. Oh,
It says
okay.
I have
Fucking
invited.
accept button. Alright. Oh, you are fucking
Far.
gone. Alright.
Okay, I found a helicopter.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, I'll fly over and then I'll stop. I promise. Oh, this is.
That's not my fear. My
No,
fear is living.
No. I'll fly over to you and
This
then we'll.
game is so fucking beautiful.
I know, right?
Imagine what Arma 4 is gonna look like.
Oh. Oh.
And the problems it'll have.
Alright, let's see if I can remember how to do this shit without... Oh, I started the engine, that's good. Okay. Step 1 complete, step 2, get off the ground. Oh fuck. There we go, step 2, success. Step 3, find Dan. Oh, I'm so much better at this. Boom. Oh, I'm hauling ass in this thing. Air station mic got blown to shit. Somehow.
Do you see the bush walking?
Oh, I just see a red dot through a white hexagon. That's all I need.
Man, there's
Okay.
guns everywhere in this
Slow
server.
down.
I love
Okay.
this server.
Step 4, descent. Can't see anything below me, so I hope I'm doing this. Oh fuck. Oh, now I'm spinning.
God.
What is happening? Hang on.
Abort.
Emergency jet. It's hopeless.
I watched that video when I hopped out. That's fucking hilarious.
Yeah. Oh, you fucked the rotor. This shit's impossible to land. How did Steve do it? Am I descending at all?
Yeah.
I can't tell.
That or I'm going up higher on the hill.
I'm gonna hit the ground
Yeah,
soon.
yeah. You're going down.
Am I anywhere near you?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Why did I hit that button? No. Oh, there's another helicopter right here. Perfect.
Oh,
no!
Oh
Okay,
my
okay, okay. No, I got this. I got this. I got this. No, fuck, I don't got this. No! Okay.
Jesus Christ, straighten it out.
Man, I can't. I'm just gonna hit the ground and hope the good. Oh no.
No. Oh, you're going through.
Oh no. No, I'm on a hill. Fuck. No. Land. Fuck. Oh no.